This is a short tutorial on how to make a temporary gator out of a garbage bag to help keep snow or whatever out of your boots. All right, to make your gators, you start with a small bag, and I recommend you use the kind with these little tabs that you pull, or have a small bungee cord that can wrap around your knee. I'm using Glad drawstring size 4, and there are the dimensions. They're 17 inches by 18 inches, and I recommend getting a higher mill if you want them to be more sturdy. Then I'm using a marker just to show you. I'm gonna cut these little corners off just a little bit so your shoe can fit the front and the heel. I've cut those off, so those two spots are open. Now, you take your bag, put it on your foot, so your foot's popping out the front. And you gather, take the other hole, run it over and you put it in the middle of your boot. Like that. Almost like a stirrup. And then you take these and you tighten them up and you tie them. I would tie them in a bow so you can reuse them again and get them off without breaking them. Now you're ready for the snow, and the snow won't get in your pants.